Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing on this fine Monday morning? Welcome to another trading week. Welcome to another trading month. We in the 8th month of the year, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Hope your trading are been going well and you're finding success in this space. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Welcome to the Zen Zone. Pause the noise. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Here on this channel, Monday through Friday, except for holidays, we look for stocks and try to capitalize on them. So if you see something, go ahead, put it in the chat. Come on in, hang out with us, and let's make it happen. Okay? If you'd like to follow us, go ahead and join us in our free Discord. If you want to trade with me, go ahead and get a link up with the VIP. Come on in, the Zoom. We look at stock pick of the day. We go over it every single morning, and then we come into the market and capitalize off the stock pick of the day. If that's something you like to do, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then hit your subscribe button in the Discord and follow the prompts towards the VIP and get signed up. Okay? Appreciate you guys. Stock pick of the day today is NVDA, NOW, PLTR, and ARM. I'm going to drop these right here. If you see something, go ahead, put it in the chat so we could look at it, all right? Service now, PLTR. NVIDIA is just moving this morning right now. NVIDIA is just moving this morning. Up 3% on that, 3.5% on NVIDIA, which is good. She's tweaking up right now. We got a pullback on PLTR. ARMS. If you do see something, just let us know here. Beautiful. We're going to look for a pullback on this one, though. All right? So let it keep going. 205.60, see it on the way back down, right? If we could break that to the downside later on today. Okay. PLTR can't make it, so we're gonna dump that now. And we need to see it break underneath this level here, or we want to wait, right? We want to wait, either or. Jump ahead on it a little bit there. All right, like that. Let's see what we could do here. See if we could get that bouncing. What's this all about here? Choppy on EZRA. A lot of resistance up here. Selling pressure. Buyers can't get over the top there, right? That was a nice break open candle on the open. After that, that's it. Pre-market $2 breakout. How's everybody doing this morning? Man, what a weekend. All right. Mm, what a market, what a market, what a market. Let's see. Holy shit. While the world is distracted. Oh, that's not what we're doing. Oh, rocket me, baby. Oh, keep an eye on NVDA. Oh, wow. Well, we can't go live yet. Trying to. How often would Michael Jordan in a conference finals? I might keep going in. Why am I going here? Okay. Tesla Megaton, let's see here. Oh, nice breakout, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. TLTR, arms. Oh, arms. I need arms down. That's Arms down, arms down. Oh, wait a minute. We'll wait a minute a little bit on arms there. We'll go to Tesla TSLA. We need to get over that 323.20 on Tesla. You got into it this morning? Nice, buddy. Nice. That was good. That opening breakout here at 312 was nice. And then you have another opportunity at 319.40. That's awesome, bro. Way to go, homie. I like it. We in the 8th month of the year today, man. Come on. Huh. 4 more months to go. What are we doing here? Welcome to the Zen Zone, man. We're here, man. We're hanging out. Come in and hang out with me. PLTR is having a hard time getting down below 124.60. Using that level as support. If you see something, let me know. Tesla. We definitely could take it back down to 319.40 for sure, Megathon on the way back down. Service now was good this morning as well. We're rolling with the partial now. We're gonna have to watch PLTR through the VWAP. Yeah, we gotta watch it through the VWAP there on PLTR, but Nvidia is rocking though. That's the one you want to look at there. Nvidia. Let it keep going. SPY rejection at 755.40 on the SPY. We're gonna take that back down. Gonna have to watch PLTR at VWAP. LUNR. Let's look at LUNR. Yeah, LUNR, man. Nice breakout. Nice breakout this morning here. We got that pullback. Boom, bam, pullback, and then bounce off the VWAP there, and she's gone. Up here at 13 on LUNR. Do me a favor, hit that like button. Share that live on TikTok. If you'd like to see a bigger picture, just come on into the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone 01. Absolutely. Breakout over 1270, buddy. Yes, sir. What you been up to, Megaton, man? What you been up to? You good? You comfortable now, trading now, or what? Still have a little hiccup. What is it? What you struggling with, bud? Oh, a nice smooth morning this morning. Got this BHC, BHC. Nice, buddy. Discipline, man. Discipline. We come, we extract, and we good to go. Yes, sir. Let the market decide. Yeah. BMNR, BMNR. SpaceX. I think SpaceX got earnings tomorrow, I think. Um, couldn't break that 100 down here on SpaceX. The 150 breakdown on SpaceX was good. We're still in the money on that one. What you trying to do with Oracle, Megaton? What you trying to do with Oracle? PLTR want to move up. SpaceX. If you'd like to see a bigger picture of this chart here, we are live on YouTube. So that's my other space there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit that like button for me. Stallion on one. Like to see SpaceX break down here, right? Let's watch that for a minute. If you're interested in SpaceX. There you go. Nvidia is rolling though. That's gonna be a good look for reversal on Nvidia later on. She's out the gate. Tesla still calling. Woo! Oh yeah, she broke out up top here, man. Way to go, buddy. You know, anything below here, I'll take that short on Tesla. 320, 320. I need some more volume in PLTR. Nvidia is so hard to trade if you didn't have a great entry in there on Nvidia. If you didn't have a great entry on Nvidia, it's hard to trade right now. You better wait for a reversal. D3 0, what up? Got to watch see if PLTR could come through the top there. NVDA, yeah, that's money. Service now for the win as well, right? See what the bounce on service now off here, right? If it bounce off this level here, you could get some here towards the VWAP, right? But if not, have that continuation showing some support right here, right? We need that continuation down. We are below the 50 RSI on that, so 115 on the way up towards VWAP. We could look at that. SMCI. I get all the alerts, man. I get all the alerts. SMCI to the short side. Very choppy though. There's a gap here on it, SMCI. That was a great win on Nvidia there, guys. Watch, we took 80 shares out on this one here. Hit that like button for me, guys. Let's go. Appreciate that. FSLR. Ah, man, you know how long I haven't trade FSLR, brother? For solo. First solo. We're right up top. Nice breakout on FSLR this morning here. Leak, how you doing, my guy? There you go. $235.40 on that FSLR. Thank you for the rose, Elite, man. How you doing, my guy? Thank you for the like, man. I think I'm gonna finish with Nvidia now. Finish up with Nvidia. See what Nvidia could do. You have shares of first solo FSLR. First solar. I like it on the 230 540. Anything above the top there, we need some volume to push us higher on first solar. I mean, I could be done with that now. We had a great morning this morning. Anything below this level here, I'll take it short towards VWAP. Target 229.40. I see you stay with these stocks, Megaton, because you're successful at it, right? The Chewy, the ORCL, Oracle, right? Nothing on Chewy right now. For Chewy, it has to be on the 2280 and over 2325 on Chewy. We need some volume on Chewy to get higher. 207.40 on yeah, that's how I would play that one. And you need some volume to get over that megaton. You need some volume to get on that. You could watch arms. Keep this one on your watch list. That KLAC. Keep this on your watch list. This KLAC. SPY is testing 755.70. I need PLTR to break down here. Resistance. Amazon. Amazon have some resistance up here. Yeah, that tell me I gotta clean up my chart. Anything underneath the VWAP here? I like the VWAP short on Amazon, 283.30. I like Amazon. Keep an eye on SpaceX too, guys. We need Nvidia to make a head and shoulder. You're welcome, 1007, 1047. Yeah, it never did. So we need it's accumulating right now. So Amazon 287.40 or 283.25 down here through the VWAP. Other than that, you don't do nothing. You just wait. See what direction the market is going to give you. AMD. AMD is sitting on top of the 200 EMA. Retest pre-market levels here. You can watch AMD like that. Not right now. I wouldn't go long on AMD right now. No, sir. Even though we're above the 50 RSI, it's still COUR just bounced off the VWAP there. Nice. Slow market. Watch the SPY slow up here. Slowly moving. If you haven't got in SpaceX yet, you know, there's opportunity in SpaceX this morning. I wait to see what it does after earnings this week. BE Energy. What a breakout on BE. 1047, were you part of that breakout? If it changed direction, I definitely could get a piece of it right here, right? At 221, I like 221 towards the top. If it decides to break higher, right? That would be my target. 221. You're getting 3.5 points, right? To the upside. To 1550 to the downside. What I would want for the VWAP to come up and support this area here, and we just kind of take care of this level and the VWAP at the same time. But be careful you don't get a bounce off this level right here. This 211.65. Right? So I'll be mindful down here, coming back down. This level right here is a pre-market level. Pre-market high. So worst case scenario, we'll break this level towards pre-market high. Break down if we have that continuation or we find that support here and bounce. So you're just gonna have to wait to see how that work out. The patient piece is the big piece of trading, man. You just got to be patient about it. Look at PLTR. It's accumulating inside the zone underneath the VWAP and supporting the 200 EMA, right? 124.60. So that's where we at. NVIDIA, we out of NVIDIA, and we're going to look for a short on NVIDIA. We'll ride it up. We'll ride it up, and we're going to wait for a short on NVIDIA. And if it break out higher, then we take it out. The top, 207.40 on NVIDIA, right? So all of these stocks, you just got to wait. Wait. SPY is still pushing up. We need this to kind of make a head, right? Come right back down here. This would be your target. Let's see how far the SPY could go today. SPY is up here. Still waiting on LUNR. We need PLTR down. And you keep eye on it today because it got earnings today on PLTR. So Rivian, RIVN. They're trying to revive Rivian. We had the shoulder right now, head and shoulder on Rivian. Almost like a upside down cup and handle. Trade days, what's good, my guy? No, I didn't take a vacation. I was live on YouTube trade days. If you ever not see me on TikTok, I'm always on YouTube. I'm gonna be streaming there full time starting next year. I don't know if you guys are into Zoom. They do have a free version of Zoom, but if you get the passcode, you don't have to worry about the free version because you'll have that link towards for me to come in, and as long as I'm on, you'll be on. I know some people use OBS, but one thing about OBS, I had it before. It runs so much different program. It runs hot. It takes so much power from your system. It runs hot, man, because it has so many different variations of stuff that you do. You have to have a fan on your system to keep that thing down, man, because it runs it so hot. I mean, I got a liquid cool system, so I'm pretty good. My system is always cool, man. Cool on the pressure. Rivian, DOMO. Nothing on DOMO. SPY 756 looking good to the upside. Scanning, scanning, scanning. What else you looking at, trade days? Yeah, SPY is topping and let it cook, baby. Uh, 754.65 on SPY. Yeah, you could watch that level there on SPY. Right back down to 750. I mean, we up 8 points, almost 9 points. Yeah, it will come down for sure. It will come down. Just hopefully you could, if it goes up anymore, you could hold your position. You know, you have enough expendable cash to hold it. But we'll have a pullback for sure. Yeah, Nvidia, you got to watch it at 206 short. I'll watch it 206 short on Nvidia. That's where I would watch. ARMS, AR, ARM, arms. I mean, bounce on arms and then just not really doing anything at the moment. We got this level here on arms. Target would be pre-market high, right? If we're gonna break this level here, we need to break this level here. There's a gap there too as well. This is your gap here. Uh, just above this level here. Let's take it. 239.45 on arms. All right. This is your gap. So we're inside the gap here on arms. So we need to break outside this structure here on the arms to go higher. If not, close the gap, right? Down, I would watch it here, right? Because we got mad support inside here. I want to see the VWAP come and support this level here, right? Let the VWAP come and support this level here, and then we have opportunity to break down if, only if, right? So you got to be smart about it. We'll break, close the gap, boom. We don't. The volume doesn't come in to push us higher. Now you just wait. Wait for this level here, 232.60, right? Let the VWAP come and support 232.60. Right now, you just chilling. PLTR, need PLTR down below here, man. I want to see it break this 200 EMA. So you got arms right there, you got PLTR. I needed to break this level here. I need down. We need that breakdown. Boom. This would be your target area here. Your profit area here. Your profit area here. I need to see some volume come in either direction. We'll take advantage of that inside these zones here. But what you gonna do? CVNA. CVNA. Nothing there right now. Anything below 64.40 to the downside. Nothing on Carvana now. AVGO. 386, 386.80 towards 384 66. And we having some trouble inside this area here. Matter of fact, we have a gap here. Uh, 387.60 on that gap to the downside. And 391.37 for the gap fill upside. So we're sitting on the bottom side of the gap on the AVGO, right? Watch Carvana. Watch Carvana. So AVGO is sitting on top of the bottom part of the gap, gapped up, right? Came down. No, it would have to fill the gap to get to pre-market high, which is up here. So it would have to fill gap, get to pre-market high, and go higher. Right now, we're just inside here. You want to scalp it, you could scalp it over this level here, inside the gap, right? If that's something you want to do, but I need volume. Gap to the downside, right? Sitting on top. This is the gap to fill, to go higher. So now you're just sitting right here. I mean, with volume, you could scalp it towards the gap fill. You know, that's what I would do. You need volume, man. Volume, volume. UPC. Put this on your watch list. UVC. Or watch AVGO. It's the final countdown. We're 8 months deep into the year already, guys. Woohoo! Hope you guys had a great trading year so far, man. Again, if you're struggling and want help seeing the market in a whole different light, make it simpler for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button inside the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone. Come inside the Discord, get into the VIP, man. You may see the market at a whole new light. Add to whatever you got going on. Definitely gonna make you say, nah, 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 nah. You know? Even if you just wanted to add to what you already got going on. Final countdown. UPC, man, we need to get that up there. Put that on your watch list. Oh, we need PLTR, guys. We need PLTR to break higher. So you know our stop loss is going to be here on PLTR if we can't get up inside here. Ah, everything is just going sideways right now. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Final countdown. Can't get it through there. We need that volume to push us through. Keep eye on the SPY though. 754.70 on the SPY on the downside. Yeah? Well, the LTR is struggling. And arms need volume, man. Arms need volume. Let's see what's going on with TSM here. Wow, look at TSM. All of these stocks are untradeable right now. We could watch this one here on the VWAP here coming up. We could keep eye on this one, HYFM. Needs to get to VWAP there to get a run for that. Oh, we got a couple that we gotta watch though. We gotta watch SPY below 754.60 and above 756.20, right? Keep eye on this HYFM, right? You got that level there. We waiting still on a PLTR, right? We got our stop loss ready. If it changes direction on PLTR, right? We have that direction change on PLTR, and we still have NVIDIA up at the top. Continue to run up top. Target 209 on NVIDIA, right? So we got those levels set up there. And VD8, great trade today, man. She ran. SpaceX. I think SpaceX have earnings tomorrow. Let me verify that to make sure. Uh, so we kind of ahead of the curve here on yep, it's Tuesday. And it's gonna be after hours. They're gonna have earnings after market close tomorrow. So we are ahead of the curve on that one so far. And everybody hasn't liquidated their shares yet. So we could see 80 on SpaceX. I'm looking for target 100. It go below that, we buy long, right? SpaceX, man, we're looking good. Nice little short right there, guys. Twice. VWAP want to come and support this level here. That was nice. So now you would be looking at this level now on SpaceX. Coin. Yeah, we need Bitcoin over 64 though, towards 65 on Bitcoin. For sure. Trade days. Market close tomorrow? Not that I know of. We could look at coin. I had coin at, we shorted coin. Same thing with Bitcoin, we shorted coin. That's coin right here. 178, almost 180 on coin. So we're like almost 30 plus points into coin to the short side. All right. So we're good. We're good on coin so far, man. We're looking good. Nice bounce off VWAP after opening. Yeah, we have to have some continuation to go up here on coin. Yes, indeed. Happy Monday. Reddit. Reddit. Can't believe Reddit is $152 now. It was so choppy when it first IPO'd, man. Reddit? Untradeable right now. Yeah, watch it. If you didn't get it off this level here this morning at 143.70, another break at 148.60, right? That's it. I mean, 152.15, that could be 1-2, but now you're late to the party. You know, you got it at 137. My guy. That was on Friday, right? There you go. There you go. Way to go, buddy. Way to go. I missed this one. I wanted to get some of that right there. 210. Halted. Did anybody get in this before it get halted? Wrong group. Let's see what that's all about. RUM. This is what it looked like, bud. RUM. Spice still pressing up. Well, keep it on your watch list, RUM. I mean, I traded before. I traded in April. Yeah, so any news on it? See what they say here.
Rum Group updates financial calendar ahead of quarterly results release and conference call. Rum Group to report Q2 2026 results on August 10, 2026, following the market close. Conference call set for August 10, 2026 at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Webcast materials at https://investors.rumble.com. Management to attend Canaccord Genuity's 46th Annual Growth Conference on August 11-13, 2026. Participation scheduled for Oppenheimer's 29th Annual Technology, Internet and Communications Conference on August 11-13, 2026. Analysts selected fireside chat at Oppenheimer Conference set for August 11, 2026 at 2:55 p.m. Eastern Time. Stream at link. Disclaimer: this news brief was created by Public Technologies, PUBT, using generative artificial intelligence. While PUBT strives to provide accurate and timely information, this AI-generated content is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial, investment, or legal advice. Rum Group Inc. published the original content used to generate this news brief via Globe Newswire, Ref. ID 202,608,030,900 PRIMZONEFULLFEED 9,802,311 on August 3, 2026, and is solely responsible for the information contained therein.
So there you go, bud. So rumors on it. Just keep it on your watch list. RUM. RUM. I have it at 658. I want to see what it can it get up to 658 on RUM. You know what I mean? Right now we got to break 630. Okay, so and anything under 615 to the short side. So that's how I would watch RUM, but put it on your watch list. Oh yeah, for sure. The market came out slow, but then took off to the upside. It's up almost 9.5 points right now on the SPY. So RUM. You'll keep eye on that. All we need now is PLTR to break out. Come on, PLTR. I'm afraid of PLTR. Come on, PLTR, let's go. In your head. Zen Trader. Who you gonna call? Ain't no Ghostbuster here, man. Come on. Come on, PLTR, let's go. SPY broke the top. Anybody that took that SPY trade, man. Woo-hoo. Hey. It was slow. It was slow, but come on, give us some volume. Come on, PLTR. Call. Come on, PLTR. Let's go, baby. Yeah, yeah. We need volume, volume, volume. We need 127. If we could get 127 out of PLTR, we good. Come on, PLTR, let's go. Man, NVIDIA is holding it up there, huh? Oh my gosh. CARR. Nothing on it right now. Right underneath the VWAP on CARR. And keep eye on this BURU here, guys. Put it on your watch list. This thing is gonna go to zero. Zero. You're gonna have to be patient. Put it on your watch list. PLTR looking good, right? We need some more volume. Come on, PLTR, let's go. Follow Foxy, how you doing, bud? Tesla can't break 324. That's today's high right now, Paulo Foxy. Three 25. 324.20 and 321.35 to the short side. Thank you, Trade Days, man. Everybody that hit that follow button and hit that like button, I appreciate you guys. Once again, come on in, man. You want to see a bigger chart, jump on YouTube. Just look for the Zen Zone. You'll know if you find me. Come on, Tesla. Market is slow. Spotify off the bottom here. Stop loss. Bitcoin is untradeable right now. You can't trade Bitcoin right now. Look at it. Look at these bottom candle here. So anybody that has their stop loss is just being taken out with these spikes here. Look at all these spikes. Hold on there. Hold on. I gotta wait for 23.25 on Chewy. Wow, it's down on GME. Been down all morning. VWAP on GME coming up. If it ever comes up. Yes, trade days. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Yes, sir. Excuse me. I apologize. Mm-mm-mm. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, PLTR pullback. PLTR pullback. GME is done right now. To the upside, I would watch this level on GME. PLTR pulling back. We out of the long position. See if we could break. I mean, you had that inside here, which you get 25, all the way up to 20, about 30 cents with the right shear size. That definitely PLTR. OCRL, ORCL. Oracle break. Oracle break. Oracle break. Just for a little bit. Then you would have to watch this lever right back down, right? Towards VWAP. Let the pressure build. I'm waiting on NVIDIA too. SPY. I mean, I could take a position on the SPY anyway. Or I could wait for 750. 750, I would like to take the SPY down too. But I could go and build a position here on the SPY here. Build a position on the SPY here to the downside. We're looking good on Tesla. TSLA. We're looking good, Palafoxy. Way to go. TSLA. Tesla for the win. Tesla for the win. Waiting on service now. Take some out of Tesla. Let the rest ride. We get what we get from the market in this kind of environment. Bobby, what's good? We're still waiting on NVDA. Sideways accumulation. Sideways accumulation on NVIDIA. Sideways accumulation on ARMS. ARM. ARM. Sideways action here. We need that to break down this level here. But good job on Tesla, Apollo Foxy, if you were part of that. A leak, anybody that was part of that Tesla trade. Okay, we're waiting on NVIDIA. Waiting on NVIDIA inside this level here. PLTR have earnings today, so let's see what it does after closing. Still, we're still inside this zone here. 125.56 and 124.60 on PLTR. Right. HYFM breakthrough VWAP. Anybody was part of that? Talked about that level there. HYFM. Service now is still not doing anything, just chopping sideways like everything else, really. So now we're just playing the waiting game. If you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, guys, this is what you got to do. You're gonna go to YouTube, hit the YouTube, get over here. You're gonna see it here. That's the channel you want to be in. To get our links, you just go to the Discord links here, right? See it there? See the links? You get all the links there. All right, come on over to the Zen Zone. Tomorrow morning, we will be doing momentum penny stocks on this channel, 7 a.m. to 8:30. So if you're about momentum stocks, penny stocks, we look at those Mondays and Thursdays. You know, every now and then we look at it through here, but I just dedicate 7 to 8:30 for momentum stocks. Anybody that's with and all about those things, capitalize on them. Sometimes we don't even have to trade the open market because we capitalize off a momentum stock in the morning. So if that's something you're into, that's what we do. Welcome to the Zen Zone, man. You know, pause the noise. Let's get it. And we do take trades, man. We do take trades. Sometimes it's a win, sometimes it's not, but that's how it is. You know, you win some, you lose some. But we try to win more than we lose, you know. Coming down to the close of the day today. Da, 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 da. Want to thank you guys. We'll be back here tomorrow morning, man. 7 to 8:30 and then 11 to 1. That's how we do it in the zone. The Zen Zone. Pause the noise. So if you're not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, come on over to the YouTube channel at the Zen Zone. TheZenzone. Come on over or get into our Discord where you could get the stock pick of the day early in the morning. You see what stock that the Zen trader is going to trade for the day. Be a part of that as we go ahead and we trade it at the opening on the market. WETO. Keep eye on that as well. Yes, indeed. As the show come to a close, I see you tomorrow. Don't forget we talked about NVIDIA over the top at 207.43 and 206 to the short side. If we get service now, we need service now over 116 and below 115. So that's 1 point difference between each other, right? WETO coming up. Way to go. Arms got to break 239.45 long and 235.80 to the short side. PLTR 124.60 to the short side and retesting 125.50. So the VWAP. So that's the level on those stock pick of the day that you're going to be watching those levels. I like this one right here. Let me grab some coming up. WETO. WTO, I grabbed some of that. And then we look at Tesla. See where Tesla is. Tesla on top of VWAP. So watch for that VWAP bounce on Tesla. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. I appreciate